Welcome back to Auto Luxury Channel, where we explore the world's most unforgettable classic vehicles, hidden automotive treasures, and timeless machines that continue to inspire generations. Today, we are stepping back into post-war Britain to admire one of the most charming and recognizable delivery vans ever built, the 1950 Morris J-Type van. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Auto Luxury Channel for more classic car stories, rare vintage vehicles, and automotive legends from around the world. The 1950 Morris J-Type van is more than just a commercial vehicle. It is a symbol of hard-working Britain, a reminder of simpler times, and a rolling piece of history that still captures hearts today. Introduced shortly after World War II, the Morris J-Type quickly became a familiar sight across the streets of England. Whether it was delivering fresh bread in the morning, transporting parcels through crowded city roads, or serving as a mobile workshop, this little van became part of everyday life for thousands of people. What makes the Morris J-Type so memorable is its unique personality. One glance at its rounded front end, narrow body, and friendly appearance, and you instantly understand why collectors and vintage enthusiasts adore it. Unlike modern delivery vans that focus only on efficiency, the J-Type had character. It looked alive, almost like a smiling machine moving through busy streets with purpose and charm. The design itself was revolutionary for its time. The cab-forward layout placed the driver above the front axle, allowing more cargo space while keeping the overall size compact. This made the van incredibly practical for narrow European roads and crowded towns. Even today, the compact proportions and curved body lines give it an unmistakable vintage appeal. The split windshield, rounded headlights, and simple metal grille all come together to create a design that feels timeless rather than outdated. Performance. Under the hood, the 1950 Morris J-Type was powered by a modest 1.5-liter engine. By modern standards, it was not fast, powerful, or luxurious. But that was never the purpose of this van. It was built to work hard every single day. Reliability and simplicity mattered more than speed, and the J-Type delivered exactly that. Mechanics appreciated its straightforward engineering, while business owners trusted it to keep moving regardless of weather or road conditions. Driving a Morris J-Type today is a completely different experience from modern vehicles. There are no digital screens, no driver assistance systems, and no complicated electronics. Instead, the driver becomes fully connected to the machine. The steering feels mechanical and honest. The sound of the engine creates a rhythm that feels nostalgic and calming. Every gear change reminds you that driving was once a skill and an experience rather than simply transportation. One of the most fascinating things about the Morris J-Type is how versatile it became over the years. Some were used as milk delivery vans, others became mobile shops, ambulances, or utility vehicles. Many businesses customized them with colorful branding and hand-painted logos, turning these vans into moving advertisements that people remembered instantly. Today, restored J-Type vans often appear at vintage festivals, classic car shows, and promotional events because they attract attention everywhere they go. Collectors especially love seeing these vans converted into coffee trucks or food service vehicles. The retro styling creates a perfect atmosphere for modern street food culture. It is amazing how a commercial vehicle designed in the late 1940s still fits beautifully into modern urban trends. That proves the strength of its design and the emotional connection people still feel toward classic craftsmanship. Interior. Inside the cabin, the Morris J-Type reflects pure simplicity. The dashboard is minimal, with basic gauges and controls that focus entirely on functionality. Large windows provide excellent visibility, while the upright seating position gives the driver a commanding view of the road ahead. There is something incredibly honest about the interior. Nothing feels excessive. Everything exists for a purpose. The cultural impact of the Morris J-Type should never be underestimated. For many people in Britain, these vans represent childhood memories and community life. Older generations remember hearing them approach in the early morning while younger enthusiasts admire them as icons of vintage automotive design. Few commercial vehicles achieve this level of emotional connection. Restoring a 1950 Morris J-Type today requires passion and dedication. Parts can be difficult to find, and proper restorations take time. Yet enthusiasts continue preserving them because these vans represent an important piece of automotive history. Every restored J-Type keeps the spirit of post-war engineering alive for future generations. What also makes the Morris J-Type special is its authenticity. In a world filled with futuristic technology and aggressive vehicle designs, this van reminds us of an era when vehicles were built with simplicity, practicality, and personality. It proves that beauty does not always come from luxury or horsepower. Sometimes beauty comes from purpose, honesty, and timeless design. Even after more than 70 years, the Morris J-Type continues to turn heads wherever it appears. People smile when they see one because it carries warmth and nostalgia that modern vehicles often lack. It is not just transportation. It is rolling history, mechanical art, and cultural heritage combined into one unforgettable machine. The 1950 Morris J-Type van may have started life as a humble commercial vehicle, but today it stands proudly among the most beloved classic vans ever created. Its charming design, dependable engineering, and emotional connection with generations of drivers make it truly special in the automotive world. Thank you for joining Auto Luxury Channel today as we celebrated the timeless beauty of the 1950 Morris J-Type van. If you enjoyed this journey into classic automotive history, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment sharing your thoughts about this iconic van, and subscribe to Auto Luxury Channel for more rare vintage vehicles, classic car legends, and unforgettable automotive stories from around the world.